Salut tout le monde. Today we'll learn 5 super common French expressions to say you feel great. Not just ça va, but like a real French person. So, le premier expression est avoir la pêche. In English, it means to feel energetic, happy, and in a good mood. Par exemple, aujourd'hui j'ai la pêche. Today I feel great. It's very natural and used by everyone, like saying I'm feeling awesome. La deuxième expression, avoir la patate. Literally, it means to have the potato, but it means also to be in great shape or high energy, just like avoir la pêche. Par exemple, ce matin j'ai la patate, or I'm full of energy this morning. It's a fun, casual expression you'll hear among friends. La troisième expression est être en forme. Well, this one is very common and natural. It's simple, means to feel well, fit or energetic. Par exemple, tu es en forme aujourd'hui? Are you feeling good today? You can use it anywhere. La quatrième expression, avoir la frite. Yep. It's another food one. French people love their fries. It means to feel lively, motivated or cheerful. Par exemple, depuis ce matin, j'ai la frite. It means I've been in a great mood since this morning. Et la dernière expression est être d'attaque. It means to be ready and motivated to start something. Par exemple, aujourd'hui je suis d'attaque. I'm ready to go today. So you can use it before work, study or even a workout. So guys, let's recap. Premier, avoir la pêche, to feel full of energy. Avoir la patate, be in great shape. Être en forme, to feel well. Avoir la frite, be in a great mood. D'être attaque, to be ready and motivated. So these are our 5 fun natural ways to say you feel good in French. And you? Tu as la pêche d'aujourd'hui? Tell me in the comments.